reaching your no quota. Reaching your no quota. Prospecting can be a struggle, but if you embrace the no quota, you'll be energized with every interaction, regardless of the outcome. Just what is the no quota? Hi, I'm Kevin Graham. I'm Managing Director in Empowered Sales Training. The no quota is based on the fact that you will face rejection in sales. Sales is like baseball. If you want to hit home runs, you've got to be willing to strike out a lot. Let's say, for example, that your sales model averages four no's for every yes. And for hypothetical purposes, let's say that each yes is worth $1,000. Then realize that each no is actually worth $200. Why? Because until you get the four no's, you're not likely to get your yes. So embrace the no quota as you progress toward your next yes. You'll discover the shift in mindset can go a long way toward keeping you at the top of your game. Empowered Sales Training offers custom programs for sales success. Contact us today at the number on the screen or online at empoweredsalestraining.com.